Each take a multi-digit number from the user, not only a 3 digit number from the user, and check and display whether it is Armstrong number or not. So what was the everything is same, okay? Everything is same, only we need to change is the formula for this question. Other everything is same as like that of palindrome number. So in palindrome number, you have to do it reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus r. That is the remainder. But here, in place of writing formula reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus r, we have to cube the number. Other everything will be same. So if I have to do this program, CLS. So first, let me tell what is Armstrong number. So Armstrong numbers are those numbers after separating each number. That means we need to separate each number, and we have to do the cube of number. That means right now it is 3-digit number. If there are 3 digits in a number, we have to do cube. Remember that we have to do cube. If there are 4-digit number, we have to do to the power 4. If there are 5-digit number, then we have to do power 5. But right now, as the question says, we need to take 3-digit number. So we need to separate each digit. That means 370, and we need to do the cube of each digit. And finally, we need to do addition. If we add after the cube of each digit, the number will be the same number, that is 370. We'll put enter a 3-digit number, 3 digits number. So we are asking 3 digits number from the user, and let that be n. While we need to rotate the loop until the value of n becomes 0, exactly like the palindrome number. After that, we need the last. We will remove the last digit, or we'll take the last digit, which is n mod 10. So it will take the last digit from the number. After taking the last digit from the number, we need to do it sum of cube of that last digit. So r cube means the cube, and after that we have to go on adding also. So arm equals to arm equals arm plus r cube. We don't need last digit now, since we already have processed our last digit, so we need to totally remove it out from the number. And finally, we need to rotate it until the value of n becomes 0. After that, we have to check whether the value of arm and n becomes same or not. But if I compare arm equals to n in this case, will the program will this condition gives true or not? Is this condition right or not? If I write arm equals to n, Gia. If I write, okay, let us say, for example, the value of n is 370. Then what will be the value of arm? After cube, what will be the value of arm?
370 only.
Yes, it will become 370. That means, now see here, to become arm as 370, this loop should rotate until the value of n becomes 0. That means at last the value of n becomes
0.
So if I compare 0 with 370, will it be okay or not?
It won't.
It won't, right? Here already the value of n becomes 0. What to do in this case? Since the n already becomes 0, so what to do in this case?
So we'll write new variable.
Yes, new variable. Let it be c.
We'll do c
equals to n. That means we'll restore the original value so that we can compare it with arm. Now it is okay. Now that means our condition becomes true. Then we need to print and its Armstrong number. Each an Armstrong number. Else we need to print and each not an Armstrong number. And the okay. So now convert this same program using SOP procedure.
Declare SOP
Declare SOP
arm a CLS.
Okay, right now there is n, so I'll write n.
Input enter a 3-digit number n. Call n. End SOP n. B is equals to n.
I think everything will be same now, right?
Yes, sir.
Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Others everything will
So
be.
down end, sir.
But enter, very good. But remember that the arm you have used here and the arm if you have used arm in formula also, it should not be same. It should be different. Hey, Ayush, have you used same arm or different arm?
Sir, I have written S.
Okay, that's great then. If you have written S, then that is great. It should not be same. So now do the same program using function procedure. Everyone start doing the same program using function procedure. So see how it works, hey? So let us suppose the value of n is 370. That means here $dollar will send the value of n 370 to SOP module. And the value of n also here becomes 370. Now the value of C also becomes
370.
so now it processes. I don't have to explain this one, I think.
Yes,
So it processes and the value of A also becomes
370.
okay. That means it will compare C equals to A. Both are equal or not?
Yes, sir.
That means now Armstrong, this $dollar will take the value each Armstrong number from sub module to main module. That means $dollar here and the $dollar here will be equal. Finally, it will display output. That means the value of n right now is
370.
so 370 $dollar. That means each Armstrong number will be displayed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope you all understood this one. Now next one is number pattern. So here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So such type of number procedure will be only asked from sub procedure. Remember, it will be asked only from sub procedure. So how to solve this type of program then? So in this type of pattern, you have to see each line. In each line, you can see that there are different numbers. In each line of number pattern, there are different numbers. First, it is 1. In second line, there is 1, 2. In third line, there is 1, 2, 3. In fourth line, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means in each line of the question, there are different numbers. There are different numbers. And obviously, for number pattern, we have to use nested for loop. Nested for loop. So nested for loop means for inside for. Nested for loop means for inside for. There should be 2 for loop. And 2 for loop. 1 for loop should be above. This is above. And next for loop should be just below it. That means for inside for loop. That is called as nested for loop. So we need the range of 2 for loop now. We need the range of 2 for loop. So let me write here for. Let me write little below. For and next for. Let the variable of upper for loop be A and the variable of lower for loop be J. Now listen very carefully. Right? For upper for loop, you have to see the number from top to down approach. You have to see the number from top to down. Okay, for upper for loop, you have to see the number from top to down. First point you need to remember. With variance. Variance means each number should be different. Okay, Ayush, if we see the number from top to down, there are two paths, right? One path is from one path is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means same number. And next path is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means top to down with variance means different numbers. You have to take different numbers. So in this case, we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because this path, the second path has different numbers. Is it clear? So in this case, the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you see the numbers from top to down part. There are two paths, but we have to see different number. So different number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The top number is 1 and the lower number is 5. Now for second for loop, for the inner for loop, we have to see the numbers from left hand side to right hand side. We have to see the numbers from left hand side to right hand side. Remember, once again, left hand side to right hand side. All the numbers of left.
1, 1, 1, 1.
Yes, all the numbers is 1. So we'll start from 1 because all the numbers are 1 in this case, in left hand side. Now, can you tell me all the numbers in right hand side?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All the numbers in right hand side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are different numbers, right? If there are different numbers, those numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But which variable stores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Can you tell me now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already being the numbers of value k. So you have to write 1 to k. So once again, upper loop, take the numbers from top to down. You have to take the numbers from top to down. That means 1 to 5. And lower for loop, we have to take the numbers. We have to see all the numbers in left hand side first. We have to see all the numbers in left hand side first, which starts from 1. We have to see all the numbers in right hand side, which is different in this case. If there is different number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is stored by the upper variable k. So we have to write 1 to k. So let me tell you, we need to print j. Why to print j? Because we need different output. We need different output. So next j. So let us run first. Now see here. What will be the value of k first?
1.
Okay, the value of k will be 1. When the value of k will be 1, in that case, value of j ranges from, that means the value of j will be 1 to k. So what is the value of k right now?
1.
So that means it will loop from 1 to
1.
the value of j is only 1 to 1 means 1. That means if I print j, will it print 1 or not?
Yeah.
Yes, it will print 1. So when the value of k will be 2, j ranges from,
1 to 2.
that means the value of j are,
1 and 2.
that means if we print j, it will print.
1 and 2.
So will it print in next line or will it print in same line?
Next.
No. What is the meaning of semicolon here?
Oh, yeah, in vertical way.
Yeah,
No,
no.
in horizontal way.
Yes, it will print in same line. But according to our number pattern, 1, 2 should be displayed
Vertical way.
in next line. So to display 1, 2 in next line, we have to write blank print. We have to write only print. Since if we don't write blank print, it will display all outputs in horizontal order. But we need to break the line and display our output in new line. So to break and display our output in new line, blank print will do the work. Okay, convert this program. Write the question, convert this program using sub procedure.
So declare sub pattern
Declare sub pattern
bracket and CLS call pattern
call pattern
and sub pattern.
sub pattern
Now same.
other same and insert, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.